Jollibee is going to explore the Dino Land.
Quack, quack.
Run away! Number one. What? Why are you driving like that? Are you drunk? Are you drunk? Yay! Don't go close to the sun.
I'm burning hot. I wanna go back to us.
Ay, parang to ako Jollibee. May nirelease ka daw ng bagong toy. Sa wakas, sa tinagal-tagal ng panahon, nag-release ka din ulit. Papunta na kami. So, yung bagong toy nga nila is yung Jolly Puzzle Adventures daw, no? So, medyo exciting to kasi nga, ano siya ulit, Jollibee and Friends. Tapos may figure siya, guys. May figure. Alam niyo naman, pag may figure is collectibles yan, no? Check natin dahil augmented reality daw to. Pwede mong laruin kasama yung cellphone mo. Tignan natin mamaya. Puntahan ko na muna yung magina ko. See you sa Jollibee.
Excited to see the new toys in Jollibee.
Yeah, let's go. Time to go to Jollibee. Go.
Hello, I'm going to Jollibee.
Okay, go to Jollibee. Hi Jollibee. Gonna see the new toy. Here's the, hi ka muna kay Jollibee. Shake hands muna kay Jollibee. Come on, let's go see the new toy in the window. There they are. Kulang na, doon. So yan dito guys, nag-order na nga kami, no? Tapos tinignan namin kung magkano nga ba talaga yung mga kiddie meal ngayon. Hindi siya tulad nung nag-Jolly Watch sila na umabot ng 200 pesos, no? So pinakamura is 100 pesos. Pwede mong bilhin na kagad lahat ng mga yan. So suma total 500 pesos. Tapos kung makikita ninyo, nilagay kagad nila yung mga ibang characters nung nagtanong tayo kung kumpleto pa ba yung mga characters nila. By the way guys, ito pala yung mga in-order namin, no? One of each na lang kinuha namin. Tapos kumuha kami nung kanilang strawberry sundae na may bilog-bilog, no? Hindi ko alam kung ano yung bilog-bilog niya, pero masarap siya. Pumuputok-putok siya, guys. Tingnan nyo naman to. Pumuputok na ball. Okay, halika na. Buksan na natin tong mga to. Let's go. What do we get first? It's Hetty's butterfly chain. Yay! Whoop.
Is this Wally?
Hetty nga.
The stickers. This is how to put it. First, you get the net, and now give it to
Hetty.
Now give it to Hetty, and now fix it, and now here's how to put it.
Ta-da! So nice. It's Twirly's Deep Sea Quest. Ding 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 ding.
This what Wally.
Wow, ganda ni Twirly ah.
Ganda.
Wow, may pearl. Last piece. Ta-da! Now you have your own room here. This is your room, Twirly. It's your underwater room. Jollibee Dino Discovery. Uy, itlog ni Jollibee.
Look.
And we're done with Jollibee. Jollibee is going to explore the Dino Land with the Eggy.
Quack.
Run away! Okay, who's next? What adventure will we have next?
Rocket ship.
Rocket ship. Yum Space Exploration. Popo. Ay, si Yum pala. See you again pag nabuo na namin siya. Space Exploration team is done. You can land here now, Popo. Ay, sino ka ba? Yum pala.
Look.
Oh. Yay! Don't go close to the sun. You might get burned.
I wanna get burned.
Sizzling.
I'm burning hot. I wanna go back to us.
Popo the race. Speed race. Din 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 din.
Yeah?
You have to turn it around.
No.
See? There you go. Oh! Yes! Finally! It's the hardest one. We're done with the stickers. What? Why are you driving like that? Are you drunk? Are you some kind of drunk? Hey Popo, are you drunk? No, I'm number one. I'm number one. I'm not drunk. Boink, 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 boink. Number one, number one.
And what happened if
Are you drunk? Are you drunk? Are you drunk? Why are you drunk? I'm pointing at you. I'm pointing at your bum bum. And you're always sleeping. You wake up. You. Silly. Okay na silang lahat. Tada! Everything is done. Malaki din, guys. Malaki yung ano, mga puzzle piece. And masaya siya laruin ng mga bata. Pero naman, oo. Nasagasaan pa niya, oh. Alright, so ito naman yung kanilang augmented reality, guys, no. Scan nyo lang tong QR code na nandun sa kanilang puzzle piece. Tapos, ayan, allow nyo lang yung camera dyan, makabukas sa Jollibee website. Ayan, allow nyo lang ulit. Tapos, scan now. After niya, pwede na scan yung puzzle piece. Tapos lalabas dyan si Jollibee. Ayan, no. Kung in-scan ninyong QR code, yun yung lalabas dyan, guys. Ayan, si Jollibee, wala mo siya ginagawa. Lakad-lakad lang dito. Tapos may mga trivia nung dinosaurs. And ito naman si Twirly. Ayan, makikita rin nyo, lalangoy-langoy siya dyan. Pwede siyang mag-dive. Pwede siyang tumingin din ng mga trivia ng mga nandun sa ilan ng tubig. And ito naman si Hetty na nasa loob ng mga flowers. Ang cute ni Hetty, guys. May hawak ko siyang butterfly neto. Woohoo! Next is si Young Burger. Ito yung pinaka-favorite namin kasi pupunta siya sa space, no? Then siya, oh. Tumbling lang siyang ganun, guys, oh. Tapos bababa siya. Tapos tatago siya sa ilalim. Tapos, guys, lastly, nandiyan si Popo tsaka yung race car niya, no? Nagtra-transform yan. Tignan nyo. Oh, diba? Pwede siya maging tao, pwede siya maging race car, tapos makipag-racing ng kayo sa mga nandyan. And syempre may trivia din dun sa mga may question mark. And yun lang, guys, kung gusto nyo makakita parang kung ano-ano mga klaseng anik-anik, join us sa Anika ng Tokwa group. And as always, follow Papi Louie for more content. Yun lang! Papara papi!